Disclaimer. The topic Indian Railway Works Contract Management has been divided into multiple videos to bring in simplicity and to enable the audience to enjoy learning. The text and data that are being displayed here are for guidance only. For actual practice, references should be made to the original codes, manuals, circulars, and letters. The depiction made here are for introducing the system and are subject to addition, alterations, and modifications to establish control of authority and protection of data access. Indian Railway Works Contract Management System. In short, we call it as IRWCMS. Welcome to the video. 3 videos have been dedicated to gain a fair idea about IRWCMS. This is the first video. The 3 videos are Overview, Abstract View video, Real-Time View video. In the Overview video, we get a general idea about IRWCMS. In the Abstract View video, I will be sharing my experience in IRWCMS with photos of the web page. In Real-Time View video, we will see my hands-on experience in IRWCMS module. Come, let's get into an overview of IRWCMS. The aim of this video is to familiarize the user to works contracts, introduction to IRWCMS, how to log into IRWCMS, and how to use the home page of IRWCMS. Works contracts. Indian Railway Engineering Code, vide the para number 1203, defines the term works contracts. Works contracts includes zone works, special works, supplies of building materials. Zone works includes works such as works of ordinary repairs and maintenance and other petty nature in a particular zone or area. Special works include works such as the construction of bridge, the formation of an embankment, etc. That is, the works other than zone works comes under the head special works. And after that we have this supply of building materials. In this, works such as bricks, tiles, lime, bamboos, bullies, matting, doors, windows, ballast, boulders, mooram, stone chips, fire chips, shingle, pitching stone, etc. That is, which are not usually stocked or purchased by the stores department. Procurement of those engineering materials comes under the head supplies of building materials. All these 3 together constitute the works contracts. As we have already seen and as we already know, IRWCMS, it's the acronym of Indian Railway Works Contract Management System. IRWCMS is a digital platform for dealing with works contracts. It has been created and maintained by CRIS. This will be adopted for all works contracts in Indian Railways. It is a part of IRCEP, that is Indian Railway Civil Engineering Portal. The website for IRCEP is www.ircep.gov.in. For entering into IRWCMS web link, we will have to log into the web page of IRCEP, and after that from there we should log into IRWCMS. Advantages of IRWCMS: faster flow of work and higher efficiency, accessible anywhere, anytime, round the clock we can use it, error free and transparent working, all these calculations, errors, etc. will be eliminated, easy decision making, reduced need for papers, reduced need for storage spaces for record keeping. Mandatory requirement for IRWCMS. Obviously, we need an internet connection. That is, IRWCMS is accessible through RailNet as well as without RailNet. If we have general net, it can also be used. Entering into IRWCMS module. To enter into this module, we need a valid username and password for IRWCMS, or otherwise we call it as login ID and password for IRWCMS. And for signing the documents digitally, we need a digital signature certificate. All these are required for using IRWCMS to the fullest. And for using the digital signature certificate, we need some minimum requirement for the softwares. Say software in the sense the web browser that we use. Normally we are using Google Chrome. In that various versions are available. Similar to Google Chrome, we have Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, Opera, etc. The versions for them, that is the minimum version of them, which we need for proper functioning of digital signature certificates are mentioned here. Internet Explorer 10, Firefox 6, Safari 6, Chrome 16, Opera 12.1. And regarding the operating system, the operating system should be minimum Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 or Linux or Mac. And also we need a small software for using the digital signature certificate. That can be downloaded from the IRWCMS webpage itself. It is being kept in the help menu. Once you click on the help menu, there we have a link for downloading this Chris Signer. Once we download it, then we'll have to install it, and that's it. Now coming to works contract management's major stakeholders. The major stakeholders are senior division engineer or division engineer. They are referred to as engineer. ADN or AXEN are referred to as engineer's representative. SSC bar JE are referred to as site engineer. SSC design and drawing is referred to as CDM, and obviously contractor. Each one of these person will be allotted with a login ID and password. So this is how we'll have to log into the IRWCMS module. First, in the address bar, type www.ircep.gov.in. The home page of IRCEP opens up. Scroll down. Once you scroll down, you'll be finding the IRWCMS icon. Click on that. It will direct you to the IRWCMS sign-in page. There you have option for entering the login ID and password. This login ID and password will be generated for each user by a common administrator who is nominated at the division level. And for contractor login, in the same IRWCMS sign-in page, scroll down, we can see click here for contractor's login. Whenever a contractor wants to log in, he can use this option. For all the other railway users, we should use the main menu option, that is the login ID password we saw earlier. No? The same. For railway users, this has to be used. For contractors use, there is a small link given here. Now, after you log in with your user login ID and password, this will be the home page of IRWCMS, Works Contract Management System. This can be separated into three parts. The first part, we can take it as the modules, various modules like home, contract, measurements, etc. The second part is the middle part. Here we have three parts, that is three windows: notifications window, LOA statistics window and inbox summary window. Notification window will consist of alerts and messages sent from CRIS. In LOA statistics, the statistics of LOAs issued and the contract management related works in IRWCMS modules are being monitored, and the progress is graphically displayed here. And the inbox summary, here whatever LOA is marked to this user, particular user, say who has been given with this login ID and password, whatever they have been sent, that is the LOA or work order, sanctioned work order, or if the work order is returned for correction, everything will be available in our inbox here. And below these three windows, the LOAs marked to a particular user will be listed there. Since there is no LOA marked to me, this is blank. Once LOAs gets ported and once the LOAs are assigned to me, it will be listed here. I have maximized this and zoomed enlarged view for mobile users. This is the notification window, this is the LOA statistics window, and this is the inbox summary. There you have one more button called logout. Once you click that, we will be able to come out of this. Workflow in IRWCMS module. Workflow we will see in the next video. This is just a glimpse of what we will see in the next video. So far we have seen about works contracts, introduction to IRWCMS, how to log into it, how to use the home page, how to close the home page. Open the website www.ircep.gov.in, scroll down, click on the IRWCMS icon, feed the login ID and password, home page of IRWCMS appears. Use the home page. After completion of works, log out. Save water. Every drop counts. Thank you. Your suggestions are always welcome. Suggestions can be sent to a.s.ramchenai@gmail.com. Thank you.